Adaptation is a powerful tool.
Yet not everyone possesses it. It is the definitive solution to the problems that come one after another, or the ones that persist for a lifetime. Today, we are decoding the human mind using the ultimate symbol of adaptation, Mahoraga. The biggest skill you could develop is the ability to reset fast. Bad day? Start fresh tomorrow. Missed a workout? Hit it the next day. Poor decision? Learn and adjust. You can't control what happens to you, but you control how long you let it affect you. Humans suffer because they crave control over an uncontrollable external world. Life is not a mere sequence of events. It is a war of attrition between your rigidity and your potential. Without adaptation, pain remains pain and failure remains failure. How it works? Adaptation operates on the principle of the reverse echo. What happens? You receive an unexpected blow from life. Financial loss, project failure, sudden academic pressure, or a change in environment. The psychological mechanism. The body immediately secretes stress hormones while the average mind falls into the trap of emotional resistance. Why did this happen to me? The deconstruction stage. The adaptive mind treats the shock as raw, objective data, completely stripped of emotion. The mind creates a distance between its emotions and the event itself, where the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for logic, is activated. Your mind begins asking structural. Adaptation acts as an auditor, dissecting the massive problem into small, manageable pieces. Structural realignment. The mind recognizes that previous tools are no longer valid, so it begins to build new neural pathways. The self is forced to conform to the size and dimensions of the new obstacle. How to master the art of adaptation. Train your mind and body to be uncomfortable on a daily basis and by your own will. Change your routine suddenly. Train hard. Change your work environment. Cut out distractions suddenly. This daily training increases your neuroplasticity efficiency and gets your mind used to the idea that plans are always changing, and we are ready to adapt. Accept the idea that your current method may be wrong or outdated. Make your response time faster. If you try a new solution and it fails, don't wait a week to be upset. Change it the same day.